guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Millie here, and today we are going to review the new NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Now before I even start with this, I have to just tell you this concealer is the bomb.com. I'll show you why in just a moment. Before that, let me remind you that there's a huge giveaway going on my channel for makeup, skincare, yada yada, and there are multiple winners. So if you want to check that out, definitely do that. I'll leave a link to that in my description box. Now back to the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. So they've got these in a variety of shades as well as some correctors. And this particular shade which I got for myself, there was another shade but which was out of stock. So the one I picked up is CW05 Medium. Okay, it is the HD Concealer Corrector. This was for something like 400 or 500 bucks. I'll of course have all the prices and everything in the description box. So before we even begin, let me just tell you, this is supposedly the dupe for the NARS concealer, and you know those concealers are just awesome and out of this world. I have used this before I even do my reviews. I use the products, I see how they perform, and then so I can give you a exact report of what the product worked like. Now this guy has been just the bomb. I'm also going to give you a swatch and a little demo. Watch this here. You can see that. Just 2 pumps, and can you see that? It is so pigmented. This is it. They've got really nice shades and some correctors as well. So this is what it looks like. Let's start using this underneath our eyes. So I'm just gonna pop this on. I've just got some, I don't really have much makeup on, just lipstick, eyeliner and a sort of foundation, max next to nothing, which is not really even foundation. So I'm going to start popping this underneath my eyes like so, just a little bit. A little goes a long way. This stuff is pigmented, and I see why it's called a dupe for the NARS. So this stuff is really pigmented, guys. You don't have to use too much product. So that's what I'm just going to use this much. Take my damp beauty blender and start dabbing this with the pointed end. So we can see that this has not creased on me. I don't even use much powder underneath my eyes. I don't like to use powder underneath the eyes. It just gives a very, I don't know, very bakey, dried effect. I just don't like it. Alrighty, so there we are. Can you see that? I didn't even use much. Let me use a little bit more right on my chin, because that is where I have some pigmentation happening. Let me just see, a little bit of it is like, can you see that? I just dabbed this on. That's it, and there we are. I love products like these. Look at that. So this is so affordable, guys. Trust me, this is the concealer you've been looking for. They've got all the shades, they've got correctors, and if it's a dupe for NARS, what else do you want? See, this is how it performs. You can see for yourself. It's so pigmented, so cheap. It's not cheap, it's affordable. There's a difference between cheap and affordable, as I keep saying. So you get how much product? You get 3 grams of product. That is 0.11 ounces. That's pretty decent, right? So that much of product for 400 or 500 bucks, which is really solid pigmentation, a solid coverage, which doesn't crease. It's going to last you the whole day. It's so beautiful. It's looking like, and they have really nice shades. I really love products that perform like high-end products on such an affordable price range. This is beautiful. They are not ripping you off. You are going to get the best deal. I love this foundation. This is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Foundation. I enjoyed this foundation for like a month or so now, and every time I come back, it's just staying put. It doesn't, and I live in a really humid city. It can get so hot. It's raining right now, and this foundation isn't going anywhere for a good 3-4 hours. And another thing which I've seen is it doesn't crease. A lot of concealer, did I just say foundation? I'm sorry, it's concealer. And a lot of concealers tend to crease around the eyes. There are a couple of really high-end ones which don't. but this takes the cake. Some of them can be so pathetic, they're so cakey, they look so bad, and so I like these kind of creamy concealers which just stay put, give your skin a glow. They look very creamy and they look like skin. And you can see I haven't used any setting spray of any kind. I'm just sitting here with nothing but the concealer on. Alright, so this is my review. I love this. I would recommend it. I'll have all the details in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.